Hello friends, today we'll try to learn rounding of integer portion, that is the left side of the number. We'll not today go into the details of rounding off of decimal part. We'll see the integer portion. How can we do that? There are three methods. The first one is wherein the actual data changes and can be done with the function round. Let us say we want to round in tens. We'll select the portion, press comma -1. -1 means the last digit we want to round. So we'll just click the downward, and if we want to round in hundreds, then the same formula, round comma -2. Round in -2 is not, since there are two digits, the rest will be done. So the same formula, if we want to round in thousands, so we'll round comma -3. It will be 0 since there are two digits. So wherever there are three digits, for instance this is 1499, it will round down to the 000, because we are asking for rounding in 000. So wherever it is 5 or greater than 5, the third digit from the right side, then it will round upside to the next higher level. So the other similar formulas for these are floor and ceiling, wherein the system forces the number to go to the floor or to the ceiling. I'll explain a little bit. So the same formula is same for rounding if we want to round in 10,000. So comma -4, we want to round in 4 digits. So wherever there are digits, it will round. So here from 10,000 figure starts, so it has rounded it to, so wherever it is lakhs, we can round. Simple formula is the last digit, so we can round in -5. -5 means 5 digits, which stands for lakh. So this was 1,48,000. It has rounded down it to 1 lakh. Since it was more than 1.5 lakh, so it has rounded it up to the 2 lakhs. And the similar formulas for these are floor and ceiling, where the system forces the figure to go to floor. Significance, let us say we want to round it to the tens, so it will force, even this figure was 25, it should have rounded out it to 30, but floor, since forces it to go to the floor level, and if we'll use the ceiling, it will force the system to go to the next level. So this has forces this system, forced it to go to the ceiling. Okay, there is the second method, wherein we will do the integer portion of the number rounding. So how can we do that? By using the copy and paste special method. Here we want to round in tens only. So first we'll copy this system, and again we'll press Ctrl Alt V, where in the paste special menu will open. We'll divide this number by 10. Okay, sorry, we have to select the range and then Ctrl Alt V. We to divide this number by, it says rounded it by tens. So the number was 25, it has divided it by 10 and rounded it to the 2.5. So I'll make the Ctrl Z back. If we want to round it in hundreds, so we'll copy the 100 and we'll select the range, press Ctrl Alt V, we'll press the divide option, and OK. Now all these numbers has been rounded in hundreds. So simple logic is all those numbers has been divided by this number. So I'll again press the Ctrl Z. Now if we want to round it into the lakhs, so we'll just copy this lakh and we'll select the range. Again press Ctrl Alt V. We'll divide this number by 1 lakh, so it has rounded it to in lakhs. Okay, there is the first method and the second method. In this, the original data changes where somebody may not be interested in changing the original data. So for that, only the custom formatting is best, which will not change the original data, which will keep the only it will change the front end, and at the back end the numbers is going to remain the same. How can this be done? Just by using the custom formatting. Okay, so for let us say I want to place the two values yes or no. If I'll press the yes, it will round these numbers into, means if I am interested in tens or hundreds or thousands or lakhs. So for that we'll use data and data validation. The shortcut key is Alt DL. We'll use the list here. We'll take the two values yes comma no. So if I'll choose the yes, these numbers will be rounded. If I'll choose the no, it will again bring back those numbers. So numbers in any case in custom formatting are going to remain same, only the front end will change wherever the situation requires. For that we'll just select the range where we want to make the custom formatting. We'll go to custom formatting, new rule, and use a formula here is equal to, if the value of this cell, we'll click here and we'll make it absolute, is equal to in double quotes yes. If the value is yes in this cell, then what it will do, go to format, number formatting, custom, we'll change this figure, we'll press 0.00 and 1 comma. Okay, it is going to round in thousands, 000. Okay, how it is done, let us see. So this is has been applied, but here the value should be yes. If it is yes, it is rounded. If it is no, it is the original figure. In any case, let us say it is yes, the figure front end has been changed, but at the back end the figure is, let me focus here, at the back end the figure is going to remain the same, figure is not going to change. Okay, so come back, if we'll select the no, it will come back to the original value. So I can change, I can create the thousands or in lakhs. If I want to convert this custom formatting into lakhs. So for that, let us manage the rule. We'll manage the rule and we'll go to the custom formatting. Here only 0 and backward slash we'll put into, and nothing else we will change. It will change the values to lakhs. Only the value we'll have to choose the yes. If this is yes, let us say this value is 1,51,200. So it has rounded into all these figures into lakhs, but the figure at the back end is not going to change. So this is the benefit of the method 3 is the best one, wherein the original values never changes, but in method 1 the values, actual values changes. In method 2 the actual value changes. In method 3 the values remains the same, only the front end changes. So all this is about number rounding. This especially is required, custom formatting is required in case we have to file, since we have to file our returns with the register of companies, wherein figures are to be put into 000 or thousands. So in that case we have to do these in thousands. So this was all about formatting and rounding, so maybe beneficial for someone. Thank you.